Yes, welcome. Welcome to the podium yet again. Today is the 20th of December 2018. We are nearing the end of the year. Simancho gufunyemu mwaka guno. Nenga abafunyemu bafunyemu abatafunyemu tebafunyemu amu balugendeddemu. So we thank the Lord that we are here with you people, and we want to welcome you on board. Today I have a new face on the show, and the man himself will be introducing himself. Akugambe yani, who is he, why is he here? Tugamba togera ku bintu bingi. Yeah man, tugamba togera ku bintu bingi. So just be tuned in and interact with us. Today we are going to be talking about APAS and Fig Farm Maker. There is a beef brewing, and APAS has his case, Fig Farm Maker has his case, so we are going to be talking about it. Irene Ntale has something to say as well. Tugenda batulibwa gamba byagambi Bini Ganta, Queen Abenacho yakomyo bamkoedo Luyimba, and so many other things, of course. Space Diana setting up for our show 25th January, and so many other things. So first of all, my name is Josh, and I'm happy to be with you guys. Whoever is watching, you know what to do when you join. Just click that share button and share everywhere. As well, comment and give us your reactions as per what you're going to be talking about. So, Mr. Franklin, welcome to the show, and maybe introduce yourself to the viewers to the name as. Franklin, tell him
Mr. Franklin. Ndoza bwe kusoso kubera ku podium. Okubera n'okwogera ku entertainment, bwana Nawali.
Oli muntu wa sports nnyo.
Ndi wa sports naye ne mu entertainment mbigoyera.
Okay. His name is Franklin, and he's part of the team. So for him to be here is no mistake. He has experience mu kino ekintu, so tugamba twogera ku bintu ebimu.
The bank.
It could be the bank as whoever you are. But anyway, going ahead, Jaga first of all to tunulya ku stories ezibaddemu before we pinpoint kiriwa kye tulina okwogerako. When njogera ekintu nga you feel you want to talk about it, it's fine. You can drop something. Do you know Grenade Dose?
Cartoonist?
No, not Ogon, Chris Ogon. I'm saying Grenade Dose, the rapper, the young kid. Mwana Muto, he's affiliated to TNS, Team No Sleep.
Nah.
You don't know him, but he has a new song with Fig Farm Maker. The song is called Osala Wat. The video is out, so you can catch it on Mbo. And then Bobby Wine uploaded the cartoonists for their, you know Chris Ogon.
Yeah.
You've seen the cartoon Zakol
for his work.
For his work. What do you say about that?
One, ekisooka okufuna omuntu akola cartoon, and then omuntu gwakoze mu cartoon is not offended, actually appreciates good work.
Yeah.
There's a now chukwa man in cartoonist. And Boban is not one of those people are taking a grudge for somebody who is trying to hustle. People who are taking route hustling, but even the work they do is fine.
Yeah. But why kukula walugaya kubanga cartoon ya Museveni nga. Who was that? Kati Museveni bamukyusa. Rastun. Kati bamuteekako mpale nene kikofi.
Ate nembaeza ayamba. Ndizo ayamba ndoza za musambe yo.
Ebigambo byono sinabyogerako. Jim Nola MC brought in a new song. These are just the stories ezili kombo. So we're going to be talking about what you people want us to talk about. Navio has a new song, Numbers. Have you listened to it?
Yes.
You love the song?
Yeah,
the video,
okay,
actually.
The video is fine, but Navio is kind of deviating from a pure rapper.
Who is the pure rapper?
Adopting to some kind of Afro beat again.
I know you
He.
Ngachi. In particular.
Of course, rapping, but the type of beats that I can rap in Napoli, I think I got to get Afro beat, the hip hop.
But maybe doesn't it go with the trends? And because as a musician there is passion, then there is money, and then there is a legacy.
Because
I think he joined for passion because he had the money anyway. He has always had the money. Then we were to get out, nefoka legacy. I want to charge the wangula.
awadi zo zikyaliyo.
Awadi gye ziri.
Mbadde twakoma ku Pearl of Africa yawa.
It's a satisfaction award. Solomon Wesuga, welcome to the podium. You're watching from wherever you are. Carl Lodz says he's watching from Kenya. Thank you, whoever is watching. Just drop a comment, let us know you're on. So Navi has a new video. Desire Luzinda gives last shot as now. Tutandikire one. Desire Luzinda Omanye byaliwo like a few years ago. She became famous
for doing infamous things.
She became famous for doing infamous things. So you say, so she had a new album. But Trevor Short says he's watching from Dubai. Thank you for joining. As you watch, you know what to do. Just tap that share button and let people enjoy with you. So, Desire Luzinda, aina album into a transition. Now coming to this album, Yadi Agambenti. This is a secular album, secular music. Before she transitions to doing gospel music. Now the recently Yari Kusho, you know about Imba na yogere bigambo nagamanti. She didn't completely do away with secular music. No, she didn't. She says that she is doing secular music one last time. Or she take no album they are compiling. Katiwana Amara akole concert which is next year, probably the first few months. Then she will transition to doing gospel music. First of all, what do you think of that?
Desire yalokoka.
Yalokoka asabira wani. Wawa, you know there are these many churches that have come up. Fanero actually, yeah.
Asabira kufanero. Enje ndinga labe atalokoka nyokuwa bolokoka. Byoba dokologere kama wega nofuko omuntu omulala. Atachikwetagise banga nti mumbayo omwaka gumondi okembe yeyo.
Ati album cheka zali mu nyimba zali mu studio. She's an artist first of all.
Ipecho tuchimanyi.
Kati bwajana bila ne nyimba ze omanya imbi kati epasenze ogani ne nyimba ngalo 10 mu studio.
Chizibu cha cookies of course.
Okay, neziba abiri. Nenga agenda transitioninga ave mu gondi. Enyimba tagenda zile kayo. Kamala azituwe, then she transitioned.
No kulokoka kuli mo transition. But then uza bosala wonti okushe mtumala. Aende byokola tete bite bisola sigalanga byebiri.
Katika nkubuzi. So ana omuloko etaswa yimbira bantu babuli.
Okuyimbira abantu bayo tetegeeza nti enakola secular music. Chanjawo.
Abakola secular music
nabaloko eno abantu babulijjo.
Abakola nali nkola interview ne Kentan Flosso. When I took out when I was anti, why did they change from doing gospel music to secular music? Kent in particular Namboza, what is gospel music and what is secular? I found a hard time explaining that because in my own mind, secular music is what is not gospel music. Because I can draw a line.
Okay. Gospel music, no the music since an octendeza katonda. Basically praising and worshiping and whatever. Along those lines. Secular music.
Bambuze ekibuzo nti olimba lwa radio. Okay, bana bayimba omukwano. Bambuza limba chobola radio. Baneero oba which song? Is it secular music or gospel? There was because for them they thought secular music is singing for the bar, singing for Ochitege.
Mgambi enjawule liwonti uwogamye kuyimba gospel music. It is strictly kutendeleza na kusinza. But uwokoze oluyimba. But olukole ebyo bibiti. Atoli mu gospel ina bwoli.
Katika nkubuze. Tosobola kuba mulokole noyimba secular music.
Tosobola kuba mu kizikiza. At the same time ngoli mu kitanga.
So belimba
tosobola kola byombi.
But Desire says she can do and she's going to do it.
Anti kati wabagenda chekole kitegeza aina bwali enotaliyo. Ebyo bamulokole.
Thank you for watching. Musali Dennis abuza mugenda di mu kyalo afe tuli wagenze
ate kyalo kyafe kibere Kampala kole tutya
kole kyolo
babadaira kuna
how you are goli mu kyalo anyway. Mr. Joseph Owino is watching. Thank you for locking in. Going ahead, away from this, so go guy desire behind get a
either tanalokoka bawa nalokoka yes and ajja kubayo omulundi gumu baba kyayagala okwerako n'akakadde kuba nzijukira waliwo omuyimbi omujama Kalediso naye yalina kumpi scenario she was caught up okubeera Lediso ne Marion Hall ngawe yali atuusiza okwesa erinnya lye ery'obuzaale kati desire wanatuuka nti ebyensa bimaze n'agenda ku Katonda era ajja kudda eri eno tajja kudda wadde nomanya nti a backslidings.
But if you are an artist, put yourself in the shoes. When a project is on Gameka and you believe they are the best. Actually, transition album could be gospel songs.
Transition is Jacola. Ajikolanga muyimbi, ajikolanga because
ajikolanga muyimbi.
And
as a person.
Yengo muntu tanaloko.
Actually, transition. She's transitioning.
Okuloko kasi transition. It is an event.
It is. When you wake up, no lokoka. What may you think it's a transition?
Ugendo to Campola.
Ebola, paka wotuka.
Bokoma marketing.
Anyway, whoever is watching, thank you for watching. Together Kocha EPAS. Actually, this should be our biggest topic today. So whoever is watching, just drop a comment. Now, this is what happens. EPAS, Bakololimba ne Fik Fameka ne Rouge. Rouge is a rapper, a female rapper from South Africa. So they come together, Club Yawagata, Club Pilsner, it's a company. Yawagata ne Bakololimba ita Midnight Drama. I think most of you watched the video. Ne EPAS yaliko and actually elaborating about this more. Centers about Kamu, all the time they put in and all. So they reach Olimba ne Rufulma video ne Labiwa Africa Yona, but for him he's dissatisfied with his fellow singers Abari Momolim. He says, because ne DJ Maporisa Yaliko, the South African producer and DJ, ne yaga manti Olimba okay, Bal nominating them Sound City Video Award, something like that, as the best video, African video, best African video there. Ne agamba, it would have been more than it is because and the reason he gives is these other artists, Rouge, DJ Maporisa and Fik Fameka, they didn't promote the song a lot. Now this takes me back to many other scenarios where artists have developed beef in
because
between.
Of failure to promote.
Yeah, because of failure. Kuba maybe again I'm studio never collab maybe a video baba satu. Then bali both from my studio rimba ne balekero omu. Usually who is regarded as the owner.
Yes.
And no other push. Kati ngenda kwa scenario because I was once in Leon Island. Chameleone Apple Rimba ne Pato Ranking.
Yes.
The song was called Only You. Pato Ranking came here and Apple Rimba ne Lugwa. Very nice song because at least if you've listened to it, I don't know because I know it didn't reach many people.
Yes.
It's a very nice song. Then we took no promotion. Pato Ranking gena collab. He even didn't come to shoot the video. He achieved that wow. Then there is another case of Davido and Diamond Platnumz. Yeah, thank you very much. The #1 song. Diamond Platnumz, yeah, collab. He didn't even promote the song at all. Though in the end it helped Diamond, of course, but the Davido to promoting and so these kind of scenarios. But these are international artists from different regions. I mean African, yeah. Now, Fik Fameka and EPAS, it's the same. Why am I bringing all this? I want you to give me your opinion. Diverse opinion there. It is spread out about this entire.
No, it's so clear that Obogendo Colorium, Obogena Cola, no moon. Taking up again swimming pool. Kubera plan, we won't get up already, already, no plan, go me, cutting a pass. A pass me, a song. Go out from a hope to Kawodo. All my into which into Ogendo Cola. You know, better on a plan. No way we are in monkey. Or in a production plan, or in a marketing plan, or in a promotion plan.
Yes.
You name it. Boy, to Monto Coloring. To Gamega no where they just roll together.
Yeah, by
who is responsible for that song? Already, Kugundu point where Mutandi Coloring. We know laying out cutting out buli muntu kyagenda okola oba kyemugenda okola nga mwagenda okola collab ogamba nti epass lwasinga okola wololo ku social media nti okay fine oluyimba nze agenda olukulira wololo ku social media kati bali abala bagenda kukola batya okuyamba oluyimba okutumbuka bagenda teeka teeka ku radio teeka ku tv kola kutya nze ndowooza nti luno oluyimba epass ogamba nti banne bamulekera oluyimba ndowooza kyatandika ku production wenyini bagamba tebamanyi tugenda kukola tutya luno oluyimba okuvaayo kuba oba tokatinze out kyemugenda kukola ng'oluyimba lutandika era ekivaamu kyekyo.
Did Epass own the song at some point? What do you feel?
That is the issue. That is where it starts. Okay?
Who do you think is the owner?
Should be Epass.
Why?
I told you marketing.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, him being the owner, because Club Yagamba, actually, these artists were given about 20 million each Uganda shillings.
Yes.
Himself too.
Is that going to Nolimba when you're promoting them or because that is where the confusion starts.
But Kaweru, this is a song that is very nice. First of all, the song itself, the audio, the video, very nice. World quality. Okay. To get up point of stage into follow me, it's a very nice song. Do you agree?
Yes.
Very nice video. Why would FIFA Maker, as FIFA Maker, not feel
compelled?
To promote the song, to own it actually?
Well, Alimunani FIFA Maker. Talk to once when you okay? It's not your project alone. Oinako omuntu omulage nokola omuntu ajanga is he coming to enhance the song oba kufunira kolinnya? Okay? Ku process yo tugamenti wali omuyimba agenda featuring ngapo. Ogamba nti Chameleone katuge kuno limanyi ku Epass ne FIFA Maker ani munene ku bombi.
Ani munene kuona Epass.
Kati awo musinario yo FIFA Maker kumulabanga ki? Azo okuzitoya oluyimba oba azo okuzitoya erinnya eriye nga FIFA Maker nti nakola oluyimba ne Epass.
I think aba azenga kufuna linnya on the song. But now let's not even
nzija kati awo FIFA Maker zekola linnya ekitegera ntaina na gundi na beauty sola promoting oluyimba.
No, if I come on your song, it's a very good song. Then I'll promote it as well. Since I'm the one looking for the name.
When Zijira, Gandaga Kola Linya Kuya Kola Daily, Church together, which is to me, my part is to contribute to the small part against the world. Katuanyambo.
Katikankoze today. Jose Chameleone, the part ranking animal.
Bojanti from this part of the world, this part of the continent, West Africa. Chameleone is bigger than everybody. I'm talking about promoting. You have to go bit by bit.
Okay, East Africa.
Kati promotion in East Africa. Chameleone yabai no jipa. Promotion here we are West Africa.
I want a general answer. Kaweru, I want a general answer.
Magali to compete at the same level. But one thing, Chameleone almost at the same level.
No, they are not.
I'm saying almost. Because there was a time when Chameleone was untouchable in Africa. Before
I will not turn the kid. Karunji, Sharon Doreen, I see you. Thank you for joining. Please, you know what to do when you join. Give us a comment and then share. Semoge Shim Nation, I see you say thanks for the show. Okay, thank you for watching. Saleh Senyonjo, what's up? You're saying Epass just Mugezi new. Muto comment says, who owns the song, first of all, Midnight Drum, and who should be promoting it? Is Epass right to send it? FIFA Maker Gano promoting Olimba, so what is Chechili Wakati?
But again, before you even go further, it was produced from Swangza, I presume.
Yeah.
But then Swangza promo as well.
But depending on the contract, maybe Javasa maybe over production because it's a club thing, it's a club anthem.
If it is a club anthem, then it's not the work of FIFA Maker or Epass.
So why does Epass feel like?
And everywhere where he puts his hand, he wants it to blow through the roof.
He's a perfectionist.
Yeah, okay. Of the sorts, yes. So, promoting Olima. Because Chitabika one, when Musoka and Nagano,
because they chose a Chicolemia put down. Camille and Patron, Animal. Okay, to get the one. To go add.
Right now, they are not part rankings like far ahead of the game. Far ahead of the game. But there was a time,
actually, when
was that song done?
When Patron came for a show, for a concert here, it should be like 3 years ago.
I mean, that was the time when Chameleone was almost untouchable.
No, that was the time he was falling. That was the time of actually mweyo period yakola mu ne part ranking yakola imba ne Davido batuna balumanya yakola imba ne Conscience batuna balumanya. He was just grasping from Ochege mwe yakolera Miliano, all the songs he did in that period ntone eza itam
and kada ani ali no kola promotion. Yes. Because given does it get and here's the thing. Abayimbi were almost at the same level. I think when you government the work it should be equally cut out. Nto kolo go na enkolo kwange and then nenga we mutandika project one ngamgenda kolo limba sibya kuja
Chindayo ko ani asaba kolabo.
Oh yes, obuzi what we now in Uganda. Every time an international act comes here, people want force collaborations on them.
Which I can understand.
You can understand, but at least you can get. I mean, technology.
Because
if you want to do music with an international act, then get contact and lay out a bit to Gulu. Because
because me, I can tell you first-hand information. The time Chameleone had tried to do a song with Davido, ngatamana call all the girls. Davido yakuyajira one. I saw the emails personally, even part ranking, because I used to be part of the team of Shege.
Yes.
I used to see the emails. Naekati took a point until the guy first started to come here, never call audio. Namusubiza ngenda koma because he had the show somewhere else. This is part ranking. Kangende, I'm going to come back, we shoot the video again that I come out. That's where we are. Until what with technology, some things can't happen. Cutting off Uganda and women to Tomlava Koi.
Are you saying in Africa, things only happen?
Eye to eye, over Uganda, over Simani, but that is what happened in this particular.
But all in all, we mom get now for a project. I presume in Bida into Bibi, Bomunene, no one to Kudokola, Nayaga Kola now, like you want to read of somebody's name. If that is what you're going to do, you want to read of somebody's name, then it is up to you to promote that song. What now did these West Africans by in politics, Monji. First of all, until they do whenever they come here, there's no collab now about Ghana. But no, auntie, the reason why they accept to do this collab, because I'll tell you the I don't know Vanessa. I think forgetting the name. But many artists, Awajawano, never call, but Yemi Alade, all these guys, they come here, those West Africans, but making sure they call Yimbo one. Yes.
Now that is to capture our market.
Yes.
Our market, this is the East African market, is the type that will consume anything. Anything good, but they will welcome.
Yes.
They don't care if you're West African or whatever.
Yes.
Now, you cross over to the other side, they have, would I say boundaries? If you're an East African, even if it's good or whatever, but by now we have to play 90% of our music, you know, that kind of thing. They have which has worked for them actually.
Are you saying Obuzuli right now there is a barricade area where you need
really?
And then how do you break it? So copper beach is those so kind of
but also what we change to go the other side.
Yes.
Physically.
No,
music. I've seen Waikibenda do it, and yes. they say he has started picking ground. Vinka, the same thing.
Yes.
When you look, you know, to be judging like social media, but on social media, their followings, there's this Otandi Kolabanga, Basinga Beli. That's why Kibenda, Vinka, who was Big Chill, yes, Open a bit cool, Katono, Katanso, Kujamo, because these people are personally, Bagenze never mind who rules the market. What do I need to do? Yes. Now that is breaking the boundary. Otherwise, those things no longer work.
And Katira, a member of
Lashan Charlotte, I see.
A member of Chameleon's card, for example, over the how difficult would it be for you, Okubani, Uganda, no Gindeli for a weekend?
It should be easy, like Chameleon.
It should be easy, yes. But so go back to where to take the physical.
So it's their problem.
It's your problem. It's your problem. You bother Baba no Giga with
actually, Baba Kolida Kanakantuka Coke Studio. Kabayambi, most of these artists, even Chameleon himself, the Radiant Rizzo, who else is there? Shiba. They have gotten those contacts, and Uganda Chamani Kobali smart, they can create friendship from anything. So Chibayambi Kayunga, Friday, Scalabrini, I see you.
But again, no production. I mean, if you happen to get in touch, no producer from those, the chances of you hitting right there, they're meant to have mastercraft, you're following Chris Beats or something. It is difficult for songs as that produced by their own. Yeah, okay,
that is actually it. That's so, true.
There are a lot of avenues of exploring
breaking up
boundary. But going back to promotion, was a by not
promoting. Nay, Aunt Kati, come take one when indoors. I am Kati. Let me try to use Ndinina Rose. Njagauri Mbane, let me say me alade.
Yes.
Which take it. Ndwagala nyo.
Yes.
The reason is not me to sing with Yemi Alade. That I can sing with anyone else.
Yes.
The reason I want a song with Yemi Alade is her platform.
Yes.
Me promoting the songs, Zenganze, Nina Rose, one in Uganda, Chinyamba.
Yes.
It's me Okolo Limba Nawe. What I want is your fan base. As you tap into my little one, Nanga Injaga tap into.
Auntie Kati, one more transition now, we'll go collab with Nawa Imbi. I mean, the direction you start to take, a better kumpi is towards the music they do. Can we also like whether one no and there is no feel of in West African need. And then we have local music. No one who is used to one side of music and you know what are we going to put together.
Tell your color by the phone.
Yeah, no.
I
get a man call Lingala. Now you can get because Lingala appeals almost the whole continent.
I find him as a very smart guy. Anyway, some of the comments, Semoge says they both had to promote it. Yeah, of course they had, but to which extent?
To which extent? I call him, but I know if that is if go if you all pay to do the song.
So then
it is a club.
What if this song wins an award? Who takes it?
Who is going to receive it? Who is the owner of the song? If the song is not accepted to fit family, Olinga featuring how can you claim it is your song?
So why should I promote it then?
Who has claimed the ownership of the Luyimba?
That's what EPAS seems to be.
If EPAS is claiming the song, then it is, but just as part of the project.
Kayunga Freda Gamba, Montumile Kowa Nanga, I have just gotten online that Nakuzna Fuka problem. However, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Neto Natu and Oze. On Adaga Network, Evasumbwa, sorry. Someone still says it's the only song nominated in South City Awards. Yes, it was the now, Okuvaka Okatono, Diamond and Rayvanny, their song was banned. Mwanga. No, Mwanga is Fit for Maker. I think it's Mwanza. It was banned in Yeah, it was it means Abanyegenege. It was banned in Tanzania because of the message conveyed within the song. Now, Basata, this is like ngawona UPRS yawa no. You are banning and negative Damuluza nyaku TV no radio na. Diamond naba naga okay, baluga inze njaluza nyaku YouTube nuzanya ku channels zange bichi na. And it's doing well. It's over 5 million now views. So recently, just a few days back, he was performing at the Wasafi Festival in, I think it was Mwanza still. He performed the song. Government, Basata no never, and say government body never okay, from now on, Diamond, you don't perform in Tanzania anywhere. You don't perform outside Tanzania. You don't perform anywhere. Performing So now I want to bring you in. First of all, banning the song while initially, did you find any problem with that?
You know, if it breaks their ethics and whatever, you can ban. Okay. But so explicit.
Thank you.
Now for their consumption, they can ban it.
Moving, flash forward to today. He has been banned from performing anywhere in and outside Tanzania.
It's banning within Tanzania, it's okay, but usinzira kutogama ntagenda performing in Uganda, ntagenda performing in Nigeria.
Now, I think Diamond is now a national asset.
So, what they running at one of
no, kwa wajene Uganda na imbanga wana weyambula, you're selling Tanzania to Uganda, you're selling Tanzania to America. Those are not the values the government stands for. If I brought that argument, what would you say?
Government, your career,
yeah, actually, Bagamba.
Did the government to grow his career?
To some extent.
Then they have literally control over him.
And actually, Diamond Tana Vayo Kwero Anako.
It's if the government literally
it does. He's a very good
fed you to where you are.
He's a very good friend to Nyerere on Yavaka, I think. Is it Nyerere? Yavaka before. Before Noyan. Chikwete, yeah. So he's a very good friend. So now Yagens and I meeting while we are discussing. But in your own opinion, how do you take this whole entire thing in relation to Uganda? What will you tell me? Performing
political, but again, they content to produce and telling you explicit.
No, actually, video Diamond, when you call about the message, the lyrics.
Well, I mean, there's no one in the band playing up already and all that.
The message.
Because of the message. No, the victim of your mass recently. Your mom, man.
That's the money.
You chose to go politics, so we just suffer the consequences.
The government is good. But again, okay. Now we can even bring in Bobby Wine. Bamugano performing a ginger. Bamugambi Taina performing on Tuara. He's an artist. He's a singer. Before joining politics, and even after, he remained an artist. That is his talent. It's his right to perform anywhere.
Yes.
So, cat government Jawa Gundega, you want to perform without even any reason. So, he's performing political songs.
Reason really. Just that reason is going to be unacceptable by the masses.
Which could that be?
I tell you, the value getting is becoming famous.
So fame is a problem.
Yes, because he has political ambition. The more you perform across the country, the more you're gaining fame, the more you're passing your message to the masses.
Mark Don says.
Hey. And then if you think about that, they're going up to message.
Mark Don says Epas does more talking than music.
Epas doing more talking.
Indeed.
Epas are full of me, but by the way, the music he does is not.
I think what he's trying to say is more known for talking than the music. which is true.
Really?
To some extent it is. Epas ogendo muwulira. Okay, ngenda kubuuza. Guno mwaka atadde ennyimba mmeka z'omanyi? Teziringa 2-3 ze tumanyi dida guli wano oluso simanya. They're like 4. Which I'm not talking about that because he releases so many, but I'm talking those as equality above the water.
Okuba above the water. Here is the thing. Epas really releases singles. But the single was the full. I know Joe Gedera. Epas knows where his money is. Are you supposed to release a song every week?
Actually, I know him more for talking than the music itself.
I told him, but I'll worry that. And him, but as a worry that.
Oh, Joy, about following Epas just for what he says. Nenga music quality, I mean, it's a possibility.
It's a possibility. But there is no way, because every time Epas is throwing whatever is throwing social media, it related to some song of this, it relates to some song of this.
Where is White Bender? Music story.
White Bender, Yagen the water so actually, White Bender, I wasn't so big. To be honest, because Baba
Kayunga Friday says Diamond is a product of the State House, right from Chikwete's regime, and with all due respect, I know Kwa Kamale respect. I think this is what he's doing because Sana Bayo Kwogera.
He's not making noise.
Edgar Kazwe, you've joined late to get up. What Mala? Semogere says, I really want to know the timetable of this program so that I can try my level best to fix it up in a week. Okay, yes. The podium happens every Thursday at 4 p.m. and Saturday at 4 p.m. Those are the 2 days we tubera ano ne twogera ne tunyumya namwe ne mutwabye mwogera masa tugenda ba tuba invitinga namwe ne mujja ano ne mutula ano as a fan, as a music analyst ne twogera at length okitegera. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Sharifa says we Sandra nga yakedde ekyalo simanyi Kasto in a number, you can call her no moves. And I think she'll be with us on Saturday. This will be against them, Chalo. So whoever's been watching, thank you very much. Kawaii, as we close, now Nanaiba had a charity drive in Kigali as she celebrated 1 year. Her family, Vajita Enyange family, this is a charity organization, would be far-fetched. It's a charity group at the moment.
At organization,
Okay. To get an organization. Yatikoze Chigadi Randa. Bintu ya charity abaindi abasinga bagenze babivamo. I don't know why. What was the point where Communion in a foundation, maybe cool ya church call okay, and neighbor gamba State House. But we were in Simanyo Wakola charity, but his wife does. Some others Wakola, though they don't publicize it. Ne chikenze chigwama man. Why is it?
I think one is there is a way non-government organizations are viewed in Uganda. Most of them borrowers they are harboring funny ambition, funny intentions of promoting indecence or Sente and all that. But again, also, it is tough times, man.
The economy.
It's tough.
So you can't give from Gatolina.
Should I want to be developing all the money would give?
Because totally said. Those who watch to the Semogera Komena Gamba. Epas has a full album, but people don't know about it because it never leaked. As you know, our fellow Ugandans don't visit the premium music stores. He has a point actually.
And that is where Epas works. Basically, it's consumers of music value social media okay. Be directing them.
Okay, and those are to Jakoma B2C by a new video with C tips with it called Neweza. Aha, Kati Okugarao. All video full of Galila Kayanda Chakole Mbwa problem. Have you watched it?
Najira
Yari Kuti Massaging.
nenga tete ali kamasaji nga bili
bolos yeah masaji nga mukano kaiko kina nanga sheko miao. Anyway, it has been Kawelu. Thank you for joining us today. Tugenda bad to kuleta once in a while. There's a wrap up. I want you to be on it to one podium. I think it will happen I think next Saturday, listen. So you'll be invited to get at length. Ndagane Owen Yaveda Onga. Owen Mwizo Kuba Ninja Ukanambilos. So anyway, whoever it has been watching, this show happens every Thursday and Saturday. It's called The Podium. You're not joining Zelo to Kwaniliza Semogere. You've been on. Thank you Kayunga, Macdon, Lashan, and so many other people. Senyonjo. Thank you for watching. Together closing down. We meet again on Saturday at 4 p.m. Sign out.